I'm here to plan for the week of June 14th through the 20th. I can hardly believe it's the 20th, that the month of June is almost gone. I got to plan something exciting for the summer or something semi-exciting for the summer. So for this week, I'm going to use these This Is Us books for my plan this week. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope that everybody is staying safe. Hope that everybody is happy. So let's see what we're going to work with today. I was had a good week this week. Had a good weekend. Had a chance to do a Zoom with two of my new crafty friends. Michelle, she's Miss Seashell here on the YT. Hey, Michelle. And my friend Yaquise, she's Seeking My Crafty Tribe here on the YT. Hi, Yaquise. If you guys can, I'll put their information down in the my description, and you guys can go by and check out their channel and show them some crafty love and subscribe and look at all the neat things those ladies do over there. Okay, let's see. We're into like grays, blacks, and browns. So we had a good time. I had a chance to Skype and talk and laugh and stuff like that. We wasn't Skyping. We was, let's just call it Skype. So because I can't remember what it was we were doing. But it was so much fun. It was so much fun doing that and just to get to share with your crafty friends. So if you all have a chance to get yourselves together and get with your friends, get yourself some crafty friends and get a chance and just talk, get a day, pick a Saturday or Sunday or Monday or Wednesday night and get together and just talk crafts and just talk and get to know your crafty friends here on the YT. It was so much fun. Those ladies are such neat ladies and such fantastic crafters that I just enjoy just getting to know them. It was such fun. And put that there. And it was such good fun getting to do that with them. It was such good fun getting to do that with them and just talking and doing an hour or so of just enjoyment, And they had me, I'm gonna move that over a little bit. So I started thinking about just stuff and things that I want to do here on the channel and how to get myself a little bit organized and to make sure that I can bring you guys some new and interesting stuff here on the channel. That one. Oh, goodness, this one's a little crooked. Some new and interesting stuff here on the channel. So that got me thinking. So with my planning, I usually write things down on my, in this planner for this. But I think if I'm gonna do something new and interesting, I think those are all kind of good. I like that. If I'm gonna do something new and interesting, I'm gonna have to think of something new and interesting things to do. I have a few things planned. What I'm doing right now is I showed Michelle and Yaquise my table here in my craft room. And so my table in my craft room is like messy because I work on this side. I have a L-shaped arrangement and I work on this side And what I do when I'm working here, I'll be working on something and I'll put it over there and put it over there and put it over there. And so I had to show them what over there looked like, because over there had gotten to be such a mess. And I had been doing stuff to try to organize better. I got to get myself organized better on that side. So that's my dog, Grizzy. And Grizzy is 17, and he's blind. And he's over there at the door because he wants me to let him out. So I'm going to pause for just a second and go over there and let him out. So you'll see me just step away for a second, and I'll let him out. So I had to pause for a second and let him out, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. So that's what he has to do. So I want to use this girl. I want to use her right there. I want her right there. And I like this saying, listen to your wise self. Listen to your wise self, because that's me. I'm just wise, and I'm only wise to my own self. To other people, I may not be so wise, but to me, I am so there, so wise, so everything. So that's me. At least in my vision of me, that's me. I'm just so wise. So I want to put another girl here. And I like this. Listen to your wise self. Listen to your wise self. That's the theme of this. Listen to yourself. Don't waste your time listening to other people all the time. Listen to yourself and how you're feeling about stuff, and move on your actions that you think you should move on. Oh, that one messed up. Some of these ones, some of these books, I've had them for such a while that the items become really sticky. And what I want to use, I love these bows that they have in this book. And I'm going to put bows all around. So I like these bows. I like the bows all around. I like this page. It's not the most fanciest page, but I like this page. So, slide this page over. And let me look at this page. This page. There we go. Can you see it? Okay. So since I'm into those bows, let's put one of the bows here on Thursday. Now, Wednesday, I got to find something to remind me about Wednesday, because Wednesday, I have to go to do the thing that I fear the most. And I had been getting some teeth implanted. And they started out with it, and it didn't work out quite right for me. I got a little infection, and so we have to stop the process and start all over again. So I'm going on Wednesday to figure out what we're gonna do next, in order to get myself some new little teeth there. So I'm doing that on Wednesday. I'm gonna tell you the truth, I'm really afraid of dentists. I went to the dentist a while back, before this, and I get nervous and everything like that. I get really nervous. And the dentist at that time kind of just like leaned on my legs, kind of held me down a little bit while he tried to pull my teeth. And I've always had like problem teeth because I have a really weak teeth. And when I was a kid, my brothers used to talk me into rocking my teeth out, so that we could have money. Because my mom would always give us like $1 or something like that if your teeth fell down. So my brothers would go, you should get one of your teeth to come out, Jen, and then we'll have some money for some candy. And I wasn't, you know what, I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't too bright. I listened to them. And so I would make one of my teeth fall out. And sometimes two of them, because you could rock them out. They weren't very stable in there, and I could just rock them out. And so I would just do that, and then we'd have money. Then, you know, when I tell my mom about my teeth, and she'd give us money, and she'd give me the money, and my brothers would say, oh, we got money for candy and stuff. Now, if your teeth fall out easily, why would you be eating more candy? I know. That's what I'm saying. And, you know, I'm admitting to the fact that, shoot, as a child, you know what, things just wasn't quite the way it could have been as a child for me, because I wasn't remembering anything. And I gotta put this one on. I gotta put this one on Monday, because Monday is trash day. And on Thursday, I like to do my laundry so I don't have to spend my whole time doing it on the weekend. And I may, now I'm saying this, but I don't know if it's true, because I don't know if I'm quite ready for it yet. But I need to get a pedicure. I need to get one of those. I need somebody to look at my feet, paint them up, and do that. So I'm going to need that. Sunday night, I always do my little bit of brushing up and cleaning for the week. So I always get that done on Sunday. So I think I need one more bowl. I think I need a bowl here. I like a bowl right there. I'd like to put, I like this girl, but I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put her. But I'm gonna put this here. I gotta go back on Wednesday, because remember I told you about that dentist thing? So Wednesday, I don't think I'm gonna do no shopping, because I'm gonna have to face my fear. Wednesday, going to the dentist to face my fear. Oh, you're back. Yeah, well, stay right there until I'm ready. No, don't you be hollering at me. No, don't talk to me like that. You stop that. And I don't believe a thing you said. Don't even say it. Don't say it again. I'm sorry, friends. I have to get Griswold back in his place, because he's just there talking to me like he could just talk to me any old kind of way. Yeah, go lay down. Don't even be talking to me like that. Don't even be talking to me like that. Let me see if I like how it looks, everybody. Okay. There. That's my spread for the week. What do you think about it? Listen, old man. You stop that. Anyway, this is my, shh, be quiet for a minute. Just for a minute. So this is my spread for the week. I told you that didn't happen. Stop it. So this is my spread for the week. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. I didn't want to stop the video because Grizzly's going to keep talking no matter what, even if I stop and get started again. So, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you for being one of my subscribers. Thank you for stopping by. I so appreciate you guys. And have a good week. Talk to you soon. Be the reason somebody smiles. Stay safe. Be happy. Talk to you soon. Bye now.